Are you listening? Damn.
If you're looking to boost your gym performance and muscle growth, taking both creatine and whey protein supplements can provide you with even greater benefits. Both supplements are safe and effective, and when used in combination, they can help you achieve your fitness goals faster. Creatine is a naturally occurring acid produced within the body that supports energy production during high-intensity workouts and heavy lifting. By taking creatine supplements, you can increase your muscle mass and strength, and improve your exercise performance. And the best part? Creatine benefits everyone, regardless of their fitness level. Research has shown that when taken with the right training regimen, creatine supplements can boost athletes' vertical jumps, weightlifting, and sprinting abilities. It can also increase endurance, reduce fatigue, and improve brain performance. In fact, creatine has been found to directly create muscle mass when combined with exercise, making it an essential supplement for those looking to build muscle. Whey protein, on the other hand, supplies amino acids for the body to use as needed. Consuming whey protein after a workout has been linked to increased muscle mass and strength, as well as improved muscle repair and recovery. Whey protein is particularly effective because it contains branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are instantly accessible for muscle protein synthesis. This natural process creates protein to repair muscle damage caused by intense exercise, helping your muscles recover faster. When taken together, creatine and whey protein work in tandem to provide you with even greater benefits. During exercise, creatine supplements will replenish depleted reserves and support instant energy production. After your workout, you can take whey protein to aid in muscle recovery. By combining these two supplements, you get to enjoy all the benefits both creatine and whey protein have to offer. In addition to boosting muscle growth and energy levels, taking creatine supplements has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and even fight diabetes. According to studies, combining creatine supplements with high-intensity exercise can reduce blood sugar levels. Creatine can also improve brain performance, as it allows the brain to create more ATP, the energy-producing molecule that powers both your muscles and your brain. In conclusion, taking both creatine and whey protein supplements is a safe and effective way to boost your gym performance and muscle growth. By utilizing both supplements on an as-needed basis, you can improve your exercise performance, increase your muscle mass and strength, and recover faster after workouts. So, if you're serious about achieving your fitness goals, consider incorporating creatine and whey protein supplements into your routine today.